So let's say that I have two radicals. Notice that these radicals have different indexes. So I have a cube root and then a fourth root. So in order to multiply these, I actually need to take each radical and transfer it back into exponent form. So I'm going to start with this one. The cube root of x is the same as x to the power of 1/3. The fourth root of x to the 15th is the same as x to the 15th over 4. So remember, if there's an exponent attached to your variable inside of the radical, that's going to become the numerator of your rational or fractional exponent, and then whatever number is with the root, here it was a fourth root, so 4 became my denominator. So now I'm multiplying two of the same variable, but they have different exponents. So my rule here with these exponents is that I need to add them. So since I have fractional exponents, in order to add them, I need to come up with a common denominator. So 3 and 4 are my two denominators. 3 is a prime number, so that tells me that I'm probably going to need to multiply the denominators together to find my least common denominator, which is 12. Okay, so in order to change 1/3 to have a denominator of 12, I had to multiply by 4 on both numerator and denominator. So that becomes 4 over 12. Here, to get this denominator from 4 to 12, I have to multiply it by 3. So I'm going to multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 3. So 15 times 3 is 45 over 12. Now that I have a common denominator, I can add my numerators together. So 4 plus 45 gives me 49 over 12. Okay, let me switch colors. So now, when I combine these, I have x to the power of 49 over 12. So now I'm going to take this from exponential form back into radical form. So I'm going to change this to be the 12th root. Since 12 is my denominator, that goes here in front of the radical. So the 12th root of x to the power of 49. Okay, I'm almost done, but I can simplify this. Because the exponent here, 49, is greater than 12, that means that I can take out some number of x's. So let's figure out how. So now I'm going to look at 49 divided by 12, which I already had right here. How many times does 12 go into 49? So the closest one, the closest multiple of 12 to 49 is 48. I know that 12 times 4 is 48. Let me just put that here. So that means this goes in 4 times with a remainder of 1. Or you might think of this as 4 with 1/12 remaining. So that helps me here because I know that I can take out x to the 4th power, and then I have the 12th root of x to the 1st, or just x remaining. So this would be my fully simplified radical form of combining these two radicals.